Hello YouTube. I'm here just to show you these two guns I came across. I bought them in the used market just to show you they're both clear. There's nothing in there. Nothing. Alright, nothing. Safe. This one as well. Let me show you clear. Right there's nothing in there. There's no ammunition on the table whatsoever, anything like that. So the only thing I'll be using is this laser cartridge for doing trigger tests and stuff like that. So I'm very excited to do this comparison because these two guns are basically the same gun, but as you can see there, this one is a Browning PRO9 and this one is an FNP9. I think it says it right here, FNP9 right there. So I don't know how well you can see that. Let's first weigh the guns. There are differences. I mean, this one comes in at 1.6 pounds and this one comes in at 1.6, almost the same, 0.1, 1.6, 1.6, yeah, almost the same. I mean, you can tell. Look at this, look at that. But there are differences though. See that? Let's go all around the guns. There are differences. Difference, this one doesn't have safety, manual safety. This one does. They both have decocker. There you go. But this one has magazine safety. You can see. So it has a magazine safety, plus obviously the safety itself. So this one does not. It doesn't have a magazine, and it doesn't have a mag safety. To field strip the gun, all you gotta do is like every other Springfield and stuff like that. So then forward comes right out. This one, same thing. Lock back. Comes right out. Look at the internals. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that. Same gun, basically. It's kind of interesting. It's crazy. This is the FN slide. This is the Browning frame. You can see. Again, the mag safety. Then here's the Browning slide and the FN frame. Look at that. Yeah, so basically the same gun. Okay, let's do this again here. Right, so we already got the weight out of the way. Both guns are made in the USA. I'm not sure if FN manufactured both of them. They're old guns, they're not like new by any means. So yeah, we already got the weight out of the way. Jesus, they even sound the same. So let's do a quick trigger test. See how much it pulls with my wheeler gauge. See, I don't know if you can see that. Put the, yeah. So here we go. Oh, I put the magazine in. There we go. Let's try it now. 3.6 pounds. Enter it. Let's do it again, just for the fun of it. 3.3 pounds. So it's a 3.5 trigger on the Browning. So get this laser cartridge out of here. And you can see with the mag, the Browning looks back. And so, put this one over here. So does the FNP9. Show you. It's the same gun. There's no doubt about it. There we go. We got that in there. Okay, let's do. Let me clear. So 3.5 with the Browning. And let's see the FN. Oh, sorry. I always got my guns greased up. 3.2. So the FN has a little bit of a lighter trigger. I mean, I don't trust this gauges too much, but it's the only thing I have. They weigh the same, and the trigger is the same. They break down the same. The slides fit, they're identical, you saw it. So I haven't taken them to the range yet. These are two used guns, and I'm looking forward to taking them to the range. Take a last look there. Look at that. Grip the same. Look at that.
Fancy, so why didn't you eat the plate? Why didn't you eat? Did you take you want to do after this? Oh, that's yours. Go to the store.